I'm Teresa Swan. I know Matea Swan here because she's my daughter. I got into Salesforce, really first heard about it through Choose FI podcast. I was a teacher for a while, a high school teacher, and just listening to the Choose FI podcast one day and heard all about Talent Stacker and then Salesforce through that. That's where I learned about it.
I obviously got introduced to Salesforce, integrated into the ecosystem from her. But before this, I was actually a student at Arizona State University, just finishing up my last semester. And towards the end of that semester, I started to meet with our CEO, Mike, and he kind of just introduced more of the paths that Salesforce offers that I could possibly discover and dip my toes into.
Yeah, I got into Talent Stacker shortly after I left my teaching job. The school year had ended, and that's when I decided to start Talent Stacker. There was a financial investment, but I knew that without that, I probably wouldn't have stuck with it or committed to it. I think that piece was important, and it encouraged me along the way to make sure I start something, I start it and finish, right? I had the privilege of spending a lot of my time each day immersed in Salesforce, trying to learn everything I could, doing all the trailheads. But the biggest, I think, most impactful part about being a part of Talent Stacker and ultimately what led to my success was my study group.
Well, I'll say I feel that the transition was a little bit more in my comfort zone as far as learning goes, just because I had just come off of being in class every day, having assignments every day and studying and learning. So it didn't really end for me. Whereas I feel like maybe other people who had worked in an occupation for 10, 20 years and then are just coming into the Salesforce ecosystem might lose some of those learning habits. That was, I think, a fluid transition for me.
And for me, with a background in engineering and teaching, I approach it a lot like problem solving. That's really what it all is to me as a consultant. The client comes to you with a problem and you work together to resolve it. As a teacher, it was also my responsibility to give the student confidence to learn, right? Help them to understand it's okay to not know everything right now, and we'll learn this together, solve this problem together. I just felt really comfortable in that role, and that's kind of how I approach things on a daily basis. I'm going to be completely honest and transparent. I never feel comfortable interviewing. Even in this moment, I'm not comfortable. But you just do it. You just have to put yourself out there, and you might fail once or twice or 20 times, and that's okay, because with every time you fail, you get better. You pick yourself up and you get better. That was really my approach. In fact, as you recall, I interviewed with both you and Justin because I just wanted more experience interviewing. I'm no good at this. But yeah, just getting that experience is really what's the most important. Across the board, hands-on experience, practical experience, that's really the best thing to prepare you.
I cried. I got initially onboarded as an intern, just really hungry and eager to learn, and very grateful that my bosses were so willing to invest time into training me. And eventually I started adding on hours to my weeks. And when it became full-time and I received the offer letter, I was not expecting it. Jaw to the floor. I called her and I was like, you'll never believe what happened. I met with Mike today and I was not expecting that at all.
Rewind a few months from that. It was actually almost a year ago now, but I remember getting the offer and shouting to Matea that I got it, and we were hugging each other and jumping up literally because it's a big step in the right direction of what we were trying to accomplish, or what I was trying to accomplish at the time. It was just really cool. And on top of that, just knowing that I felt like it was a good fit, because meeting with the leaders of CloudTgic, they're just so down to earth, and I've seen it through. They really are willing to help you find your path and your journey. And I knew that from the very beginning, and it was just exciting to get that offer.